Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the flight schedules available on the Aegon application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the More button down below, scroll down to the flight schedule section and tap on it. Now you will be directed to a page where you need to select your departure and arrival point and the date too, to check out the available flights. So set the destination to, then you should select whether it's a one-way trip or not, then click on the search button down below, and here you can find the relevant flights. If you want to book any of these or get to know to it, just simply tap on the relevant one and click on the book this trip button. Then you should select the passengers, number of passengers, and then fill out the forms. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.